Hey guys!
Welcome.
Welcome back to our What Sold video. We're going to talk today about what sold on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari.
Yeah, except Mercari was crickets. So actually, we're just talking about some sales, some really good ones on eBay and Poshmark.
Thankfully.
And, yeah. If you've been following us, you might see that our inventory room is in sort of shambles here, but that's because we're upgrading. We have up in the attic there, of course, if you remember, we're putting that all together and putting all of our inventory in one big space. So we're super excited. Come check that out as well.
Yeah, you have to check it out. It is a metamorphosis for sure.
And you said it's the attic of wonders turning into the attic of wonderful. I like that.
Yeah.
All right, so starting off on eBay, we have a Sony SLV video cassette recorder, so a VCR to you guys. And you'll remember us finding this at Savers in a really awesome video. It was a huge store. We found this on the way out. We didn't even know there was an electronics store or realize it because we were in there for like 3 hours already. And we found this on the way out, and yeah, this thing sold for $70 plus shipping. It really didn't take that long either. We put the VHS tape with it, brand new. It also had the remote that worked perfectly. And also I threw in some AV cables just so that it's plug and play for them, and hey, ready to go.
I love how you do that. I think it's so nice.
Oh, thank you. You know, it's making happy customers, and I think that really helps, honestly.
Yeah, getting it and being able to open it and plug it in and use it right away.
Not have to like search around for those
No,
cables and
that's
stuff
very
like that.
thoughtful. You're very thoughtful, hon.
Why, thank you.
Yeah.
So not such a big sale. This one right here is a Pearl Jam, Jeremy. Now, if you remember that song back in the day, in the 90s, really cool song. This doesn't even have the CD. Okay, this is just the single without the CD. The CD was so scratched, and I'm like, you know what? I'm pretty sure somebody has a CD and wants to complete the collection with the case. So this actually went out for like $6, you know, whatever. I'm making somebody happy with their collection there. So it took me like 2 minutes to do that, so whatever. Anyways, now some much cooler sales here. Check out these Nike Air Jordan 1 mid toddler size shattered backboard shoes. Now you will also remember us finding these in a video. We went to some town-wide yard sales and we found these things, and I think we paid like, I don't know, $2 for them, $3 maybe. I'm not sure, but look at these littles.
So cute!
I know, right?
I know.
Jordan ones right here. Oh my gosh, so cute. Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, these went for $37 plus shipping. So that was a really quick, you know, like what, $30-some profit there? Awesome. We'll take that in today, and remember to check out that video too. It's a fun one.
And remember to check out the kids' shoes when you're out yard selling and garage selling this year.
Yeah, you know, and especially, of course, you know, Jordans. You know, kids love to dress their kids freshly dipped head to toe. So find those really high-end ones for your kids.
Yeah.
Next going out, you'll remember us finding this in a very recent video. And that is a Shut Air football helmet, youth size. And this one said killer on the back, if you remember now. So we went to this huge barn sale on a nice day. And we were outside, inside. We found a bunch of stuff. Came out there with bags full. And including this football helmet. Now, this didn't really take long to sell either. We took an offer today at $41.85 plus shipping. And that is in the sporting goods bin right here. Yeah.
I remember that one.
Right? So this thing was really clean inside, which was nice, but it was just really...
You cleaned it up so well. I can't believe it's the same one.
Right. I did scratch off all the stickers to make it a little more sellable, you know, so the customer would have to do that themselves so they could put their own team on there or whatever right away. I did have to scratch off the killer mark, so that's going to be hard to see. I'm not sure if that was a good selling point, but it was hilarious.
It was really
honestly.
cute. It was written in pen, too. Yeah. Ballpoint pen.
Yeah, no Sharpie, because
no,
it's too
we're
young.
not allowed to have Sharpies yet. No.
Oh, I love it. So yeah, $41.85 plus shipping. Keep an eye out for those football helmets, guys. Sporting equipment in general, people love them. Now, a sale that just came in. Literally, I had no idea until we started filming, and this is a CD, another CD. Now, this one is definitely worth selling, okay? It's no like, you know, $6 no CD or whatever, completing somebody's collection. This one is the best of Sadie, maybe is it? S-A-D-E. And this is brand new and sealed yet, and it went for $22 free shipping. So
Sade.
Sade. Ah, okay, Sade.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Sade. Please.
It's okay.
Please forgive.
It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's okay, Sade. Great. So, but anyway, Sade, your CDs are worth $22 plus shipping if they're brand new and sealed yet. Now that is a piece of media that I'll pick up all day long and sell it. I mean, that takes 2 minutes to list it, another 30 seconds to like store and ship it. So that's like a $15 to $20 profit super quickly. Love it. Right there. 22 bucks. We'll take it. Now the other incoming sale that came in is upstairs. We'll go up there in a minute. We are going to find our next sale. This one's sold on Poshmark, and you'll remember us finding this in a not so recent video from last October, or last fall at least. It was a rainy day, and we happened upon this barn sale, and it was at the back of a church, and they let us in, and these old ladies are just practically giving us stuff, giving us the craziest prices.
Throwing stuff at us, literally.
Yeah, like, here, take this, almost. And we picked up this lot of 5 Marvel Titan Hero 12-inch action figures. Honey, you had picked these up and pointed them out to me, and I'm like, oh, cool. I think we'll look these up, and they were in pretty decent shape, so we grabbed all of them. And they sold in a lot of 5 for 28 bucks. Oh. So, my gosh.
Wow.
You know, I'm not sure we paid that much at that entire sale. So remember to check that one out. It's a really fun one. We sold lots of stuff that we got at that sale, actually. And I think they're right here. Yes, I just put them in this reusable shopping bag here.
Oh yeah, I remember those guys.
Yeah, the 12-inch.
Yeah.
Big guys.
Yee.
So normally I wouldn't pick these up, say, on their own, but a nice collection of them is much easier to sell. Of course, you can look up each and every one. You might be able to sell them individually. I mean, some of these are worth really good money, so just, do your research. We decided to put those in a lot, and it worked. Now, we got 4 more sales now that are upstairs in our new inventory area. So we're going to go up there. I'll follow you, honey.
Of course. Hello. Welcome to the Attic of Wonders, which is turning into the Attic of Wonderful.
Yes, it is.
All right.
All right, so we have been working pretty hard at this, lugging stuff up here, moving things around. There's a lot of things. First, we're going to go in here, honey, in the old inventory area. We're going to look for number 727. So
727.
I think that is this bin.
This bin?
Yep.
Oh, so what's left of my old numbering system? What is it?
And in there we'll find a Madewell
there it is.
floral bikini.
Right here.
That's awesome. That thing went for 20 bucks on Poshmark.
I bought it last season, so not bad.
That's not bad at all.
Oh.
Yeah, 20 bucks.
Yeah.
Doesn't take up a whole lot of space. People know what size they want in a bikini, so.
Yeah, and Madewell is always a great brand to look out for.
Heck yeah. So, if you might remember this area, there's a shelving where there is now a bunch of bags.
Yes.
And all these bags are unlisted inventory.
These are unlisted.
So we are actually going to be picking at this little by little. Oh my gosh, it doesn't stop. Fur. It keeps on going.
There's fur with feet and heads. There's everything.
Oh my, yes. And there's also racks of clothing here. Here's 2 racks of unlisted clothing.
Paul Smith jackets, like just gorgeous stuff.
Oh my gosh, you might remember us going through a lot of this stuff on our attic sourcing live video.
Another Ben Sherman
shirt. Oh, that's nice.
This one's really beautiful, yeah.
XLG is that. I might have to try that on.
Yeah. Very classic.
Nice.
Cool. Well, thanks to you, honey. Seriously, thanks to Dustin. I'm getting this together, and I'm very grateful.
Oh, thank you so much, honey. Yeah, we are a super reseller team right now. We're getting listings in every single day. We're excited to tackle this pile and get it all listed and move on to the next. Move on to the next thing.
Well, hopefully what I would like to do is I would actually like to have a bedroom that was just completely a stage for filming. That's what I'd like to do eventually.
Yeah. And that's basically what we're turning the old inventory room downstairs into.
A studio. Yeah.
And up here, okay, here it is, guys. Another sneak peek. If you remember, this was not this far advanced last time.
No.
We have some more shelving, empty shelving for all that other stuff over there.
Yeah.
And then we have 4 sets of alphabets starting over here, which is the first one. We go over here, and then we'll start the second alphabet over here.
Mm-hmm.
Moving on over the second alphabet. And over there you see Z2 stopping, and A3 is going to go right below that, and we're going to fill up the A alphabet together.
Yes.
In these spaces. And then Michelle's first alphabet turned into the 4th alphabet, and it's all over here. And that is so cool. Right down to Z4.
If you're still hanging on with us, I'm confused.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna figure this all out. We're gonna get it all organized, and we're gonna know exactly where everything that we have listed is.
Yes.
Which is gonna be awesome.
The 3rd alphabets and all that good stuff.
Yeah. But also, we're going to give you another little sneak peek, because in this closet here, we're going to kind of turn this into a media room.
Yeah.
We have board games in there right now.
Give you an idea of the size of it.
Yeah. We're probably going to do a fire sale on some board games at some point here. We're going to put some slim media shelving in here as well. Stay tuned to check that out. And honey, come in here, because I did something in here that you'll probably like. We're going to turn this into a shoe room. Check this out.
Oh, this. Oh my gosh! What did you do? It looks great.
Yeah. So
holy cow, babe!
Yeah. So we figured a way to hang these up. We got a good start on our shoe room. This is just sort of like an old unfinished bathroom that we're gonna turn into some storage area. Yeah.
It actually has a wall of windows in here, which is pretty cool.
Oh, I know.
It's very pretty, actually.
Very beautiful outside. Get a nice view of the backyard.
It's getting greener.
Yep, we're planting clover seed and all that this year, so we're looking forward to that.
Yeah.
Keep you updated.
Yeah, we'll show you guys how it turns out.
Yes.
Well,
but back to it. We have 3 more items. Thank you, honey.
Wow.
This is going to be a really great little inventory area for us. So right now we're going to go ahead and find, let's see, what went on eBay just now. It was a Bowden button-up cardigan sweater with the striped sleeves.
Yes.
And that is in bin V4.
I was going to say that sounds recent.
Yep, that was recent.
V4.
V4. So that's, yep. Oh, it's on top here if you want me to grab that.
Oh.
Is it super heavy?
Is it?
Okay, you got it. Put it on the table, honey.
Probably shouldn't have done that.
I can get it for you.
Okay. I forgot.
All right, so the Bowden cardigan sweater, gray one, with the striped sleeves.
Here
There it is. Nice.
Very easily recognizable. Bowden.
Heck yeah. Okay.
Love Bowden.
Sweet. I like that striped detail.
So cute. Yeah, I'll let you put this back. So
Absolutely. That went for $25 plus shipping. And that time, take that long.
Gosh, yeah, totally.
Bowden, I'm learning about all these brands from you, honey. Thank you so much.
Oh, I should do a little refresher on that one, I think. But
Bowden?
thanks. Yeah.
Cool. Okay. So next, we'll find in bin I, we're going to find, let's see, that I believe is a Brooks Brothers logo handbag.
Yeah, I love this little purse. It's Brooks Brothers.
That is really
logo
cool. It's got a
purse.
sort of like the repeating logo on it, and that one for $25 on Poshmark.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Adorable.
Absolutely. And so right behind you over here, honey, in bin N, actually, is a new with tags Lauren Conrad pale pink wrap sweater.
Oh, I love this sweater. Lauren Conrad makes some really cute stuff for Kohl's. This is brand new, super fuzzy with a fringe. You could like wrap it over as a wrap or use it almost like a shawl. It's beautiful pink.
Awesome.
Brand new, yeah.
Yes, with the little fringe and all that.
Yeah, really very feminine and pretty.
Very nice. Okay, and I'm sorry, that actually went for $29.
Yeah.
Wow, great sale.
I know, from Kohl's too,
wow.
right? Just new with tag, so.
Heck yeah, well, that's cool.
Yeah.
So guys, stay tuned because we're gonna fill this place up here and we're gonna show it to you when it's all finished. It's still a work in progress, obviously, but thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for joining us, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys very soon and showing you the progress.
Can't wait, guys. And until next time, that's
Bye.
up to you. Package those up very nicely.